Hello CIS scholars. Children, now we are going to start new chapter, lesson number 9, Bund. Now, this is an adventure story of a drop of water. After reading this chapter, we are going to learn about use of water and water pollution. So let us begin with the story. So, this is a story of a little drop of water named Bund. Bund lives in a cloud high up in the sky. One day, Bund goes to see her grandpa. Bund says that, Grandpa, I want to see the world. Grandpa says, okay child, but I will not send you alone. If you want to go, you have to go with your sister Shabnam. Then Bund was ready to go with her. So Grandpa drops Bund and her sister Shabnam in the middle of the stream, means middle of the small river. They flow down the hill and join the river. The river flows through the jungle. Yes, so Bund and Shabnam see so many trees, animals, birds near the river, and they both were very happy to see all these things. Soon the river grows big. Bund can see now houses and lots of people. Then suddenly Bund says, what is this smell? Shabnam says, look at the shore. This is called a shore. Yes, shore means the land on each side of river. Can you see these two land? It is called a shore. So, Shabnam says, look at the shore. So many people are bathing and washing their clothes. They are throwing garbage into the river, and all that dirt is the reason for the bad smell. Okay, so when they are going with the flow, Bund says, I cannot breathe. Let us go back. So sister Shabnam says, okay, let us go back. So Grandpa in the sky, he sees Bund and Shabnam and take them in his arms. They turn back into the little drop of water and go back to the family in the sky. So children, you have seen that how the people make this water pollution. They are washing their clothes, they are throwing garbage into the river. So children, this creates a water pollution. Water is very precious resources, and our body is made up of 75% of water, and that we must drink a lot of water and keep our body hydrated. Okay, so children, now let us go with your textual exercise, that is on page number 111. So here you have to observe this picture and you have to put smiley for the things that people should do and make a sad face for the things that people should not do. It is very easy. You can see in the first picture, you can see the females are washing their clothes in the river, which is not good. Yes. In second picture, you can see the boy is cleaning the river. So it is good. So we will put one smiley here. Right. Then in third picture, the children are growing plants near the river. So it is also good for the environment. So we will put smiley. So rest of the things you have to do it by your own, children. Now let us learn a new topic, opposites. Now opposite, you can see the two children. Girl, she is having long hair and boy is having a short hair. So long and short are opposite. They are different completely from one another. Yes, so long is the opposite of short and short is the opposite of long. Both are vice versa, right? So in your textbook you can see one exercise that is on page number 112. Now the coffee is hot and the ice is cold. So these are the opposite word, hot, cold. Now see the second picture. Brother, sister. One is elder and other is younger. Yes, the small one is called a younger and the big is called a elder. So children, you have to do matching in this exercise. So it is very easy. So try it out. Now again this is the exercise of opposites. Now in this exercise, first it is given a jumble word. Jumble word means the spellings are not correct. Okay, and this is a word hard. So what is the opposite of hard? That we have to find out from this word. So S-O-F-T, soft. Okay, hard, soft. Rock is hard, teddy bear is soft. Okay, so these are the opposite word. Now see the second one. You can get slow. What is the opposite of slow? Fast. So spelling of fast is F-A-S-T, fast. Okay, so complete this exercise in your book. Now this is an exercise on page number 113. Match the pictures with the correct action words. Okay, so now we have done verbs in our grammar. You have to just match the action. It is very simple and easy. So in first, which word it is? Dance. So we will match it here, right? So we will write number 1 in front of the girl is dancing. Okay. Now see the second one. Sit. So grandpa is sitting. So we are writing number 2 over there. And third is swim. So the girl is swimming. We are writing number 3 in front of that. So children, you have to finish this exercise as well. Now again this is an exercise of action words, right? So here fill in the blanks with the correct action words. Action words are given: play, leave, sing, cooks, reads, roars. So you have to see the picture and you have to put the correct action word in the blank. Father dash food for me. So what the father is doing? Cooks. Father cooks food for me. Then the second is the lion dash in the jungle. So lion roars in the jungle. So roars is an action word. Now this is another topic which is improve your study skill, your reading skill. So we are going to learn about sound of SH, TH, CH, WH. That is on page number 115. So sh. SH will pronounce as a sh. Then TH we are pronouncing as a th or dh. Sometimes we are pronouncing dh and sometimes we are pronouncing th. Now CH we are pronouncing ch. Ch. And WH v. So sh, th, ch, v. Right? Now look at these words. Ship. SH, sh, IP, ip. Ship. Fish. Wash. Chop. Ch, CH, ch. And OP, op. Chop. Chain. Chick. TH, th. Thumb. Thread. Now, here in this exercise, you have to see the picture and you have to circle the sound of that word. So, first is shirt. So, CH or SH, it starts from which letters? Ch or sh? Sh. So, we will circle it, right? Now, second is chair. So, CH ch or SH ch, what will come? Ch. So, CH. Then, thumb. So, TH th or WH v. Th. So, we are going to underline the word TH. Now, wheel. This is wheel. So, CH ch or WH v. Wheel we are pronouncing, right? So, we will underline WH. Now, in this too, there are printing mistakes. So, we are not going to do this. We will skip it, right? These are the tasks for the day. Now, in this, apart from all this exercise, you have to complete these 3 tasks, that is complete the word web to see how to use water. So now how you are using water every day? You are drinking, you are mopping, you are giving water to the plant. So this way you have to do this exercise. Then second is listen to the poem, take the correct word. Right. So now here in this exercise you have to go to our Oxford app, you have to open the learning resources and then you have to select the chapter number 10 Boond. In that you will find this poem. So you have to listen to that poem and after listening you have to tick the correct answer on page number 116. Make a poster, that is on page number 117. Blanks are given and you have to write down your own answers. So children, do it and I hope you like it. You can also watch an animated video in Oxford app. So go for it and have a wonderful day. Happy learning.